Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting with the essentials. Power the Nest and open the Google Home app. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled so the app can detect the device. Once the Nest chimes and appears in Home, tap Add Device and follow on screen prompts to select the Nest. Enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password when requested. This is how the Nest authenticates and gains internet access. Make sure your phone remains on the same network throughout the pairing process. Now you continue by assigning the Nest to a home and room so routines and controls work properly. If the device shows a QR or setup code, scan it. This speeds pairing and verifies you own the device. Grant the app permission to access local network and apply the firmware update. This installs critical fixes and ensures compatibility. Once the update begins, leave the Nest plugged in and keep the app open. If the update stalls, the app will show specific retry options. Finish by verifying the Nest is online in the Google Home app and testing basic functions like voice commands or streaming. If the device fails to connect, reboot both your router and the Nest, then re-enter Wi-Fi credentials. Intermittent IP or DHCP issues are common causes. If problems persist, perform a factory reset per your Nest model and repeat setup. This clears corrupted configs. One key troubleshooting tip. Check router settings for AP isolation or MAC filtering that could block the Nest from joining the network.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.